Apollo kiniton umbale SS, ngesi e bale be, apotu kesio jala kisiai chweyo na kaverai, kosomero kwape iponelo Aitiji Ekuse lo Ikwamin.
Even as individuals, in our homes, in our schools, in our environment, in our communities, let us continue to plant trees. Let us continue to save the environment. For us here, we already began in our own small way. We banned the use of buvuvera. And now we told all the people who sell it here that we do not want any of these white ones and the black ones. At least that one we have achieved.
RCC umbale city, John Rex achilangesi Apollo kitasubanangun, nepepeke daikulepe kasuban, kaengare nokolu esomero, apotu irati kitoka nuaitu nitore somero, koto makiro nuaiti kitike kuselo Ikwamin.
I'm here with you to appreciate the arts and science of debate, and thank all of you who have participated. First of all, by being around. Those of you who have managed to be here by choice of your patrons that you came here to debate, you have performed very well. That should be a proud for you.
Mbale says nesabu itelekao lagano ngol, lo ajai kina isomero ni tomon, karia nao bugisu kasebei, isomero ni unilu etelekarak, koto motomo na kwa puoko. Kesi epote ya iriamuno lapalo kanyitangon, kanue lagano lo akwapuoko neda, itemo kinitere isirigini kanue somero lo irauni lo sodi.
According to statistics, we find that carbon dioxide and methane, these are the strongest gases that affect the greenhouse or that affect the atmosphere. So when these gases are emitted into the atmosphere, they cause what we call, they contaminate, or they cause toxic gases that people inhale, that leading to cancer. That's why you see that there is increase in the number of cancer victims in the country.
Now if you tell me that it's the caveras which are causing greenhouse emissions, according to our research, the statistics say deforestation causes 11% of the greenhouse gas emissions caused by humans compared to passenger vehicles in the planet. So how do you lie to me? How do you lie to me that it's caveras?
And I've just been in this greening tournament. We managed to emerge champions. Of course, we have always been champions as the time before, but the tournament has been quite interactive. It has been entertaining and at the same time educating. One thing I've learned is that we have to conserve and preserve our environment. But in the quest of preserving and conserving our environment, we have to accept that humanity is entirely dependent on nature, and we ought not use violence in the conservation of our environment.
If we can get to know how to conserve it better, we are going to have a greener environment and it's going to be just fine. So we have to stop the plastic pollution. We have to stop the we have to stop the burning of rubbish. We have to get ways of cleaning the environment in a way that is not going to be a danger to us.
No que cielo skintere aitikitik, ejujule lo alomu Ekuse lo Ikwamin. Apollo kinitone project lo jone remo, ngesieli pisomero ikere, alomu no worolo.
Even those who have not made it, go and concentrate on the other activities. Because I can assure you, the other activities weigh more than the debate. But of course, those who have excelled in the debate already have an advantage.
Apollo kinitoni projectan luko New Vision, Sydney Miria ngesia balebe, ekotokini aimorkikina kanin, kanua inya kune Ekuse lo Ikwamin, lo ajokani do egear kedajo.
When you see a plastic down, pick it up. Don't wait for the next person. Dispose it in the right place. If each one of us just picks that one habit, there you can create a multiplier effect when people begin to copy what you're doing.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapu, Rogers Akaijuka, Jonathan Mitala, Kariano Bugisu.